Vermilacinia polymorpha is a fruticose lichen infrequently found on Santa Catalina Island in the Channel Islands of California and along the mainland coast in Ventura and Orange counties. It has also been indicated to occur south into northwestern Baja California without reference to specimens to support its range extension, and shown to occur on the Vizcaíno Peninsula in central Baja California on a distribution map in a lichen flora, without reference to specimen data. However, specimen data from other sources indicate it does occur as far south as Punta Santa Rosalillita on the main peninsula of Baja California, and also reported from Guadalupe Island. Distinguishing features: Vermilacinia polymorpha may be recognized by a thallus divided into partly strap-like branches with irregularly widened parts, somewhat spoon-shaped, as shown in a representative specimen in the original publication by Peter Bowler and co-authors, reportedly collected by Richard E. Riefner, Jr., 87-61a, IRVC, from Aliso Canyon in Orange County, California. The authors had noted that the species most closely resembles a deformed N. robusta, which has smaller spores of 10 to 12 micrometers, inflated, rounded branches, and larger urn-shaped apothecia. Richard Spute, in his revision of Niebler and Vermilacinia, indicated that V. polymorpha is distinguished by the oblong branches, less than 10 times longer than wide. Quote, he commented that some forms were difficult to distinguish from Vermilacinia robusta, while he was only able to briefly glance at the type while visiting Arizona State University in April 1996, and that it is also distinguished by its smaller thallus with irregularly widened branches, compared to Vermilacinia paleoderma. The type, biology, specimen, which was not shown in the original publication, was reported to have been collected by Janet Marsh on Santa Catalina Island. Marsh 6206. ASU. It differs in having irregularly widened branch parts near thallus base and narrow tubular segments above. The branches in the type specimen appear as long as 3 centimeters, and described to be up to 6 millimeters wide where flattened, especially flattened or inflated near base. Taxonomic history: the species was originally described in the genus Niebler in 1994 and transferred to Vermilacinia in 1996, but retained in Niebler by Peter Bowler and Janet Marsh in a 2004 lichen flora. Vermilacinia differs from Niebler in its chemistry of terpenes, none of which are found in Niebler, in the structure of its cortex, and in its net-like organization of the hyphae and the medulla. Besides the controversy of whether Niebler polymorpha is a synonym of Vermilacinia polymorpha, the geographical occurrences of the species itself, V. polymorpha, are also subject to interpretation since many specimens were identified by many different authorities as referenced in this article, and that specimens were not always cited to substantiate the range of the species indicated at the time of publication.